Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and healing process to bridge the gap. Happy learning students. Subject ICT. Topic copying and moving data in MS Excel. Standard 6th and 7th by Kriti Chauhan. Copying and moving data. Why we need to do copy and move the data in another location. First, copying means to duplicate the data and placing it in the another location. And moving the data means taking the entire data on the Excel from one place to the another place. This moving data will never create a duplicate of any information. Now we can copy the data from one place and paste it in another place. Same way, we can cut the data and move it at another location in the worksheet. Now these two steps can be done in three different ways. The first way is, let us see what is the first way. To copy the data, first select the cells that needs to be copied. Second, on the home tab from the clipboard group, click copy icon. A dotted line appears around the copied cell or cells. Third step, select the cell where data needs to be copied. Fourth, click the paste button in the clipboard. The data is placed in the new location. The same way we can move the data to the another location. Let us see the steps. First, select the cell to or cells that needs to be moved. Second step, on the home tab from the clipboard group, click cut icon. A dotted line appears around the copied cell or cells. Third step, select the cells where the data needs to be moved. Fourth step, click the paste button in the clipboard group. The data is placed in the new location. These above two slides shows the first way to move the data into new location using copy and cut options. Now the third option is the shortcut for there are shortcut to copy the and moving the data. The first one is using the mouse and the second option you see is using the keyboard. In the first option, we need to first select the cell or cells and then right click the mouse in the selected cell, and from the shortcut menu, click copy or cut or paste option when required. Now the second option is shortcut using a shortcut keyboard. Now how to do it is, the first step is to select the cell which you need to copy or cut. Then if you want to copy the data, press Ctrl and C key together. If you want to cut the data, you need to press Ctrl and X key together. And once the cut or copy option has been selected, you need to paste the data. The shortcut to paste the data is, select the cell where you want to paste the data, then press Ctrl and V key together. The data will be moved or will be copied in the new location. Students, hope you have understood the theoretical section of moving and copying the data in the Excel. We will learn it practically in our next video. Thank you, students.